Welcome to this demo of IDEA Architecture, our 3D BIM architectural software. In this video you can watch how you can insert viewpoints on the plan view, and then how to view the result in WalkIDEA. Insert a viewpoint by giving the insertion point, the angle, the elevation and the name of the point. Create the geometry file of the model, being in axonometric view. Open WalkIDEA and select a viewpoint from the list. Thanks for listening. You can download the trial version on www.4msa.com.